In today's video, I'm going to show you how to connect Klaviyo to WordPress using Fuse WP. To begin, we'll go to Fuse WP on the left-hand side and hover and click on Settings. Now in Settings, we just want to scroll until we find Klaviyo on the list. We'll click on Configure and we'll need to get an API key. So we'll go to Klaviyo, then Settings, then API keys, and we'll go ahead and create a private API key. Okay, so here I'm going to name it Fuse WP and we'll make it a full access key. We'll click on Create and now we'll be able to see our API key. So we'll go ahead and copy it, then we'll go back and paste it in our settings and save our changes. Once we have done this, we'll see that Klaviyo is now connected. Our next step is to go to user sync to create a sync rule so that we can test out this integration. We'll add a sync rule. Our source is going to be user roles. Then we'll add a destination and our user role will be subscriber. We'll select an integration next and that's going to be Klaviyo. We'll also go ahead and choose a list. We'll use the email list. And next we'll have an option to map custom fields. We have a default mapping here. For example, we have first name, which is mapped as text, as a text data type to Klaviyo's first name field. The same goes for the last name field. We can map another field if we need to, but we won't need it for this example. We can click on save once we're done with our configuration. And once we have saved our changes, we can go ahead and test it out to see if it works. So let's hop over to a user registration form. So I'm going to enter some random contact information. We'll click on add user. Once the user is added, we'll see a success message. And then we can see if that user's contact information was synced with our Klaviyo email list or Klaviyo. So let's see. And from what I can see, it's not synced as yet. So I just checked off screen and we were a victim of double opt-in. We need to go to our email and click on this confirmation link in order to be subscribed to this Klaviyo email list just based on its default settings. I'm just going to jump to it right here and we can see that double opt-in was selected by default. So if we go back to lists and segments, we can now see that we have 2 contacts in our email list and this is the email that we entered. So that part of the test was successful. Now we're going to create a new sync rule. This time we'll use a WP form as the source. Our source item will be a newsletter. And once again, we'll need to add a destination. So our event will be after form submission. Our integration will be Klaviyo or Klaviyo. Our list is going to be the same one. We'll use the email list just to keep it simple. And we'll quickly map our custom fields manually this time. We'll save our changes. Once they're saved, we're going to go ahead and subscribe this contact to our list. I'll click on submit. And once again, I'll go to the inbox from that email to see if we have a confirmation email. So yes, I want to subscribe. Now back in our CRM, I'm going to go ahead and refresh the page and we'll see that this contact was synced. Okay, so I really hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching and see you next time.